How to make original fried chicken. Making fried chicken at home has a number of benefits. You control the quality of the ingredients, meaning that you can use the freshest possible and you can opt for organic chicken if you wish. Also, you can vary the ingredients to taste. And it's highly likely that everyone will want to eat the chicken at the family table, so it's a surefire winner for mealtime. This article provides several variations of fried chicken that you can try. Ingredients. Original fried chicken. 1 egg. 3 cups milk. 1 cup flour. 3 cup fine breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, not salt. 1/2 tsp onion powder, not salt. 1 teaspoon paprika. 4 teaspoons black pepper. 6 to 8 cups Crisco cooking oil. 2 fryer, or young frying chicken, cut in pieces. Optional, add a teaspoon/2 of red chili powder for a spicy flavor. 1 teaspoon of crushed onions. Step 1. Prepare the batter by placing eggs and milk into one bowl. Step 2. Combine the flour, breadcrumbs and seasonings into another bowl. Step 3. Dip each chicken piece, first, into the flour, then the batter, and again into the flour. Place the coated pieces on a plate. Step 4. Add oil to a large, deep fryer. The fryer should be suitable for frying chicken. Heat on the stove at a medium setting. Watch to see that it does not get too hot and spit. To test to see if the oil is hot, put your hands under the water faucet, then flick the water from your fingers over the oil. If it sizzles, you know the oil is hot enough to add the chicken to fry. Step 5. Remove from pan after the chicken is a golden brown color. Step 6. Place on paper towels, on the countertop. Step 7. Serve. Serve with coleslaw, salad or steamed vegetables of choice. If you're going on a picnic, allow the fried chicken to cool down and pack in its own container, along with other food items ready for the outing. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.